Most governments choose their own unique money of account and issue their own unique currency. One nation, one money. RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, is the highest monetary authority in our country. RBI prints the currency notes of all denominations from rupees 2 to rupees 2000 except 1 rupee, which is printed by Ministry of Finance. All coins in denominations of 25 paise and below are officially demonetized. Each currency note has some definite features. So we are going to discuss about some features of these currency notes. In these currency notes, you can see Mahatma Gandhi portrait is shown. In each of this you can see. This is Mahatma Gandhi series of banknotes which contain Mahatma Gandhi portrait and electrotype watermark in watermark window also. This is your watermark window. You can see this one. This is your watermark window, right? When this note is held against the light, then you will be able to see Mahatma Gandhi portrait and electrotype watermark within. Now see this currency notes of 2000 rupee and 500 rupees. This has some specific feature also. This denomination with rupee symbol is printed in green blue with changing ink. Okay, here you can see this one. You can see it changes the color, which is green bluish type, right? In each of the currency note, you can see a security thread is shown. See here, this is the security thread. In each of the currency note, you will be able to see that security thread, right? Yes, you can see here also. You can see here also. Okay, but in 500 rupee note and in 2000 currency note, you may find the security thread is changing color. Is changing color back and forth from green to blue when note is tilted against the light. Right? Now let us see one more feature, that is of Ashoka Pillar. On the front side, you can see Ashoka Pillar emblem got placed on the right side on all the currency notes except rupees 5. See here, this is 10 rupee note, right side. Here this is 20 rupee note, right side. You can see in each of the currency note, Ashoka Pillar emblem got the place at the right side. Is it okay? And whereas you can see that in rupee 5 note, Ashoka Pillar is on the left side. Fine. Moving ahead with one more feature, on the front side, you can see that guarantee clause, मैं धारक को 10 रुपये अदा करने का वचन देता हूँ. Okay, this is governor's clause. You can see governor's signature with RBI emblem on the obverse side. Okay, obverse side, that is your front side. Okay, now you can see serial number panel has numbers that increases in side from left to right, position at the bottom right and the top left except on rupee 5. Here you can see the number panel is given here. Okay, and the number series is a straight line, whereas here you can see the numbers are increasing from left to right on each of the currency notes. Now see this currency notes. rupees 2000, rupees 500, rupees 100 rupee, and rupees 200 currency note. Can you see a patch over here? This one, a small patch is given. Can you see that? Here you can see the latent image of the amount of whatever the currency note is printed. You can see the image of the same. Now let us see the back side of these currency note. Here you can see the year of printing is shown. 2016, 2019. Here also you can see 2019. Here this is given as 2020. Except rupees 5 note, you will see on each of the currency note year of printing is shown. The new Swachh Bharat logo is also mentioned with slogan. Can you see that? Swachh Bharat, एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर. Each banknote has its amount written in 17 languages, English and Hindi. You will see on the front side, whereas 15 others on the back side, which illustrate the diversity of the country. This is the language panel. Okay, and in this 15 languages are written. Which are the languages and how can you remember? So Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmir, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Now here you can see one sort of formula I have written, that is ABC, K3, M2, NOPS, T2, U. So how will you remember? That is ABC in place of C. If you are in Gujarat, you can remember as Gujarati. Okay, so instead of C, you will think just like Gujarati. So A for Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati. K3, that means three languages starts from K. Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani. Then M2, two languages starts with M. Malayalam, Marathi, NOPS. That is, you will remember as Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit. Tamil, Telugu, two languages, and U for Urdu. Right? Now we will see the main color of each of the currency notes. Here you can see rupees 5 currency note and the main color is green. On the back side or the reverse side, you can see a tractor is shown. This is limited in circulation. Now see this 10 rupee currency note. This is the new currency note of rupees 10 and this is the old currency note of rupees 10. Both differ in size also. You can see that. New currency note of rupees 10 is replaced by all Lion Capital series banknotes. Both notes are presently in circulation. Now what is the color of the note? That is chocolate brown, you can see. Now on the new currency note, you can see motif of Sun Temple in Konark, which is in Odisha. It depicts country's cultural heritage is shown. Now see this rupees 20 currency note. This is a new currency note of rupees 20, whereas this one is old currency note. Okay, both notes are in circulation. Old 20 rupee currency note had palm trees. You can see here palm trees. That is the view of Mount Harriet Lighthouse in Port Blair. Okay, and in new currency note, you can see motif of Ellora Caves, which is in Maharashtra, is shown, which depicts the country's cultural heritage. Now see the currency note of rupees 200. You can see Sachi Stupa which is in Madhya Pradesh on the reverse side, which is wide in circulation. Okay. Now rupees 500, which is the main color, that is stone grain. Fine. And on the reverse side, you can see red fort, which is Indian heritage site, New Delhi, is shown. Now see the currency note of rupees 2000. The main color is magenta and motif of Mangalyaan, which depicts the country's first venture in interplanetary space. Now let us see new and old currency notes of 50. The main color in new currency note is fluorescent blue. You can see Hampi with chariot, the motif which is in Karnataka state. Okay, whereas on old currency note, you can see Sansad Bhavan at the reverse side. Now let us see new currency and old currency note of rupees 100. This is the new currency note of rupees 100, whereas this is the old one. The color of the new currency note of rupees 100 is lavender. On the reverse side, you can see Rani Ki Vav, which is in Patan, Gujarat. And on the old currency note, you can see Mount Kanchenjunga. This is the site of Mount Kanchenjunga, and the color of the note is blue-green. Now, we will see some specific features designed for visually impaired people. Now check this 2000 rupee currency note. You can see a rectangle with rupees 2000 in raised print and 7 angular bleeds on left side as well as right side is been designed. Similarly, on rupees 100 currency note, you can see a triangle with rupees 100 imprint and 4 angular bleeds on left side and right side. And on currency note of rupees 500, you can see a circle with rupees 500 in raised print and 5 angular bleeds on both the sides. You will be able to note. Fine.